Let's walk through the working time exemption calculator. If you are exempt from a fixed schedule in Portugal, the law guarantees a special supplement of at least 1 overtime hour per day or 2 per week. We'll see what that minimum is worth for a €1,000 salary. First, the monthly gross salary. We'll use €1,000. Next, the normal weekly hours. We'll keep the standard 40. Then, the overtime uplift. 25% is the legal default. Change it if your collective agreement sets another value. And the working days per month for the daily modality. 22 is the usual payroll convention. Right away, the calculator shows the minimum monthly supplement, €158.65, about 16% of the salary. The table below builds the numbers step by step. The base hourly value, the overtime hour with the uplift, the supplement per day, per month, over 12 months, and the salary plus supplement. That's it. Change any field or switch to the weekly modality, and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.